In this video, I will show you why you should use export as instead of save as if you want to save your file as an image format. The first reason is the preview over here, which will show you how the image will look like before exporting it. The second reason is the options here on the right. Of course, you can choose here the format, PNG, JPEG, GIF or SVG, and also you can adjust the image size from here and the canvas size from here. For example, if I want to crop these empty areas, I can reduce it to 1000 pixels only. And also you can save your metadata, which you can find here in file info, and of course convert to sRGB, which is the color mode that browsers support. And here on the left, you can export multiple sizes of your current image just by pressing this plus and choose the size, for example triple. Now I will export it in the half, quarter, double and triple. And of course you can adjust the suffix right there. Then click export all, choose the destination and click export, and all your versions will be exported. But of course, if you want to save it as a PSD, for example, then you will use a save as usual.